Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will back to the question from Adrian Lafose. And I think the video that I made is not matched to what he wants, so he figured out that there is a way to make it in Canva and Photopea. So now let's make it. Let's go to Photopea. Just click here, photopea.com. Back to the post, and I will copy this image. Go to Photopea and paste here, Control V. First, I will increase the image size. Go to Image and click Image Size. I will make it Enter. Now I will make a selection. So use this magic wand and then add the tolerance to 32 and then click here and then press your Shift button and press here and press here, here, and all the different color inside this stand. Click here, click here, click here, and this little one also. Click here, here, and then click here, click here. All right, and then go to Select and Save Selection, and then type the name here, for example, the stand, and then click OK. Now upload the star and stripes here. Okay, and then select in here, click here, right click, and click Rasterize. And then click this rectangle selection and click anywhere here. So the selection is off. Now select this one. Now click this Move tool and then increase the size. Okay, and then go to Select and click Load Selection. Click this arrow and then choose the stand and then click OK. And then go to Select and choose Enforce. And then press the Delete button on your keyboard. And then click this rectangle. And then click anywhere. And then select this background and drag it to this bucket. Alright, so now you have it. And then click Move tool, go to File, and then Export as PNG. And then click Save. Okay, so now you have it. If you like this tutorial, please share to your social media. See you next video.